Are you looking for the best electric toothbrushes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric toothbrushes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Fairywill FW507 Electric Toothbrush. The Fairywill FW507 Sonic Electric Toothbrush is a budget-friendly yet feature-rich oral care device designed to deliver a superior clean. Equipped with a powerful sonic motor that delivers up to 40,000 strokes per minute, it effectively removes plaque and promotes gum health. The toothbrush offers 5 cleaning modes: clean, white, sensitive, massage, and polish, catering to various dental needs. A built-in 2-minute smart timer with 30-second interval reminders helps ensure thorough brushing of all quadrants of the mouth. The device boasts an impressive battery life, lasting up to 30 days on a full charge, making it ideal for travel. Its IPX7 waterproof rating allows for easy cleaning and use in wet environments. The FW507 comes with multiple brush heads and a USB charger, providing convenience and value. Overall, it's a reliable choice for those seeking an effective and affordable electric toothbrush. Number 2. Candor CD5168 Electric Toothbrush. The Candor CD5168 Sonic Electric Toothbrush is a feature-rich oral care device designed to enhance your brushing experience. With a vibration frequency of 37,500 strokes per minute, it effectively removes plaque and promotes gum health. The toothbrush offers 15 brushing modes, including clean, white, polish, sensitive, and nurse, catering to various oral care needs. Its 5-speed settings allow for personalized brushing intensity, and a built-in 2-minute timer with 30-second intervals ensures thorough brushing of all quadrants of your mouth. The toothbrush is equipped with a durable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 6 weeks of use on a single charge. Additionally, it boasts an IPX8 waterproof rating, making it safe for use in wet environments. The package includes 16 replacement brush heads, offering long-term value and convenience. Please note that the charging base is not waterproof. Number 3. Oral-B D12 Electric Toothbrush. The Oral-B D12 Vitality Electric Toothbrush offers a reliable and affordable solution for those seeking to upgrade from manual brushing. With its 2D cleaning action, oscillating and rotating, it effectively removes up to 100% more plaque than a regular manual toothbrush. The toothbrush is compatible with various Oral-B brush heads, such as cross-action, floss-action, and precision clean, allowing users to choose the best fit for their oral care needs. The package typically includes the toothbrush handle, a charger, and a travel case, making it convenient for both home and travel use. While it lacks advanced features like pressure sensors or smart connectivity, the D12 Vitality remains a solid choice for those seeking a straightforward and effective electric toothbrush. Number 4. Sabort S6 Wave Electric Toothbrush. The Sabort S6 Wave Electric Toothbrush is a high-performance oral care device designed to deliver a comprehensive cleaning experience. It combines dual-action brushing with ultra-wide 60 degrees oscillations and up to 60,000 vibrations per minute, effectively removing plaque and promoting gum health. The toothbrush features a powerful servo motor that maintains consistent brushing performance, even when facing resistance, ensuring stable brush force throughout use. Its IPX7 waterproof rating allows for easy cleaning and use in wet environments. The device is USB-C rechargeable, offering convenience and compatibility with modern charging standards. The package includes 2 soft TPU-wrapped brush heads, gentle on both teeth and gums, and a travel-friendly design for on-the-go oral care. Number 5. DOCOLAB Electric Toothbrush. The DOCOLAB Electric Toothbrush offers a practical and affordable solution for those seeking to enhance their oral hygiene routine. With its 3-gear mode, users can customize their brushing experience to suit their specific needs. The toothbrush is USB rechargeable, providing convenience and ensuring it's ready for use whenever needed. Its IPX7 waterproof rating allows for safe use in wet environments, making it suitable for use in the shower. This toothbrush is designed to be a reliable addition to your personal care appliances, promoting better oral health with each use.